Welcome to the Blueprint Solutions video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to utilize third-party billing. First, I'm going to go to my patient browser and pull up a client. I'm going to open his file and go to his insurance tab. Here's where I need to add his insurance information. Click Add Insure at the bottom of the screen. Choose the relationship to the patient. If I choose Self, all of the patient information will automatically generate. The only other required field are the name of the insurer and the ID number. If you have the other information, I suggest entering the data in. Optionally, you can add a note about the patient's coverage in the Notes section and click Update. Now that we have an insurer on file, we can go ahead and bill that insurance. Let's sell some services. I'm going to click on the green Sale button on the left toolbar. You can use the Quick Find to find the service you would like to sell. You can see that some services have the CPT code entered and some do not. Some clinics prefer to search by the CPT code rather than the service name. You can choose what works best for you. Let's choose the Basic Comprehensive. You can also add batteries or accessories to the sale. Once done, click Next at the bottom of the screen. Check that your order date, location, and provider are correct. If you want to increase the price of any of the items, click in the Price cell, type in the new price. Make sure to click out of the cell or press Enter on your keyboard to save the cost. To decrease a price, you will need to add a discount. Double-click on the discount cell, add a discount reason and a dollar amount. Click Update to apply this discount. You can manage the quantity by clicking on the quantity cell and using the arrows to change the number. At the bottom of the sale, you can see that the insurer is listed here. It's up to you if you want to allocate the full amount to the insurer right away to show the insurance responsibility. Or maybe the client has a copay of $20 and you want to subtract that out. You could also leave it all as the patient responsibility until we know exactly what the insurance company is going to pay us. At this point, we will complete the sale, and for this example, we will allocate $100 to insurance. Click Complete Sale. The invoice will populate. Under the Client Sales History screen, we will see the sale we just created. The triangle means we are waiting on payment for the sale. Next, we can right-click on the sale and choose the HCFA 1500 PDF form, and the claim form will appear. All of the information from the patient's file is already loaded on the form. The name of the physician and the physician MPI number pulls in on this form. Box number 17 will populate the referring physician information that's under the Patient Details tab. Here are all of our items and our charges, our services facility, location, and billing information. If you want to change anything, you can click on the cell to modify the data. Remember to click out of the cell or click Enter on your keyboard to save your changes. If you are integrated with Office Ally, you can submit this claim electronically. If you do submit this to Office Ally, you will get confirmation of the submission, and then you will be able to manage it on your Office Ally account. You can also print a copy with or without the red background, and you can archive this form manually to the Patient's Documents tab. Let's say insurance came back and said they're going to pay $50 and they're going to write off the other $50 for the Basic Comprehensive. The debit column gets treated like the patient responsibility and the third-party column as the insurance responsibility. Whenever we are ready to take a third-party payment or write-off, we have a few options. Also, you get to decide if you want to do your write-off or insurance payment first. Most clinics like to do their write-off first. To add an insurer write-off, you can highlight the sale, right-click, choose Write-off, Third Party. In the credit amount field, you can type the amount of the write-off. Sometimes insurance companies will have you do a write-off per line item. For example, the total write-off number was $40, but they might tell you to write off $10 from this item, $10 from the other item, and $20 for the last item, and it will calculate your total. Once done, click Create. If you received a check solely for this patient, you can go to their Sales History tab, highlight the sale, right-click, Receive and Apply Payment, Third Party. Fill out the information and click Save. If you've received a bulk check from an insurance company, you can go to the Accounting drop-down menu and select Enter Third Party Payment. Under the Insurer drop-down menu, select the insurer. This will bring up any patients that are waiting on payment from the insurance company. Enter your payment information at the top. If they wrote a check, you can put that check number in the memo field. Next, check off the boxes that this payment should be applied to. When you click Save, any patients that are removed from the screen have been paid in full. If we go into their sales history, we will see that the triangle has gone away. Anytime you want to see the details of the sale, you can right-click and select Transaction History. This will show you everything that is attached to the sale. We hope you found this Blueprint OMS tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please give us a call.